This Insta360 summer update is rocking. Today we are checking out a game-changing accessory for Insta360 users, the GPS preview remote with a built-in mic. Whether you are biking, hiking, or just shooting cinematic B-roll far from your camera, this little gadget brings live preview, remote control, GPS tracking, and pro audio right to your wrist. And the spec behind this little device is incredible. Let's break this down step by step, from unboxing to deep feature testing, and show why this remote is a must-have for your Insta360 X5 or Ace Pro 2. Let's kick things off with what you get in the box. Inside you'll find the new Insta360 GPS preview remote with mic, packed with a set of useful mounting accessories. A comfortable wrist strap, perfect for action spots or vlogging on the go. A clip mount that lets you attach the remote on your shirt collar, backpack, strap or pocket. A bike handlebar mount, ideal for cyclists or bikers. A small windscreen to reduce the wind noise during outdoor recording. All parts are sturdy, well built and ready for versatile shooting setups. Pairing the GPS remote tool is quick and simple. It connects wirelessly to Insta360 X5 and Ace Pro 2. Just power on your camera, open the remote and follow the pairing prompt. The hardware is minimalist yet powerful. Power button. Long press to turn the remote on or off. Top facing microphone. The record button. Tap to start or stop the recording. Works exactly like your camera's shutter button. This is more than just a remote, it's all in one creative command center. The Insta360 GPS preview remote pairs seamlessly with your Insta360 X5 or Ace Pro 2, giving your live image preview, full camera control, high quality audio recording and real-time GPS data tracking, all from your wrist. Thanks to the built-in LCD screen, you can frame your shots with precision. No more guessing angles when your camera is mounted far away. You get a live feed up to 328 feet or 100 meters, which is perfect from shooting for helmets, tripods, or even drone-like setups. The built-in microphone delivers crisp and clear audio with support for 24-bit recording by default or 32-bit floating point. If you want max dynamic range, especially helpful in unpredictable environments. You can also choose between two noise reduction modes, letting you adapt to windy trails or quiet voice recording with a tap, even at a distance of up to 525 feet, that's 160 meters. The connection stays rock solid for both remote control and audio transmission. Whether you are biking downhill, skiing, or filming in wide open terrain, your feet and mic stay synced and stable. The remote built-in GPS logs precise data like your route, speed, elevation, and direction. This data can be easily imported and synced inside Insta360 Studio or the mobile app, allowing you to add stylish overlay and stats to your videos with a few clicks. The LCD touchscreen is not just functional, it's personal. You can customize the wallpaper with your logo, brand identity, or just something stylish to make the remote yours. Now let's compare the sound quality and the range between Insta360 Mic Air and GPS Preview Remote Mic. Now we have Insta360 Ace Pro 2 connected with Mic Air, and we have Insta360 X5 connected with the GPS Remote Review plus microphone. Both mics, as you can see, they have windshield connected. I had to put it on my neck, and well, I very hope this one is definitely heavier than Mic Air, and as you can see, they're hanging on my t-shirt neck like this. But usually that's the average distance from the microphone to your mouth, how you will be filming in a everyday life. We have a little wind today, so I think it's a perfect time also to compare the wind resistance on both microphones, because we are using the windshield. And of course, one of the main purpose to use external microphone to making sure that the audio quality is good enough to use outdoor, especially in a windy condition. Now let's just check the distance. I'll be moving further away from the point where both cameras are being installed at the moment, and let's see how far the mic will still hear me. So now I'm approximately staying 3.5–4 meters from the cameras. I can even visually still see that both mics are connected and they're reacting to what I'm speaking here. So now it is approximately 8–9 meters. Going further, now it is approximately already 15 meters. Still moving back, so approximately 20 meters. I don't already see what's going on the display. So what I might need to do now, let me just take away my camera, zoom in a little bit. So even on the camera, I don't see anymore if there's actual connection moving further away. Okay, still moving further away. It's approximately now 38 meters. I was measuring it on the Google Maps. Let me take a look at the indicators. So the indicators still shows both are perfectly connected. If I turn with my back to the camera, it's already over 40 meters. So what's going on in here? We can see, yeah. So Insta360 Mic Air is still perfectly connected. Ace Pro 2, it's over 43 meters, and you can see the distance is getting already crazy. And actually the GPS remote preview is also staying perfectly connected, so we'll compare the quality. Let me just show you the real distance where I am. It's already over 46 meters now where I am, and 2x, 3x, 4.3x. Let me just, so now I need to zoom in to 30x in order you can see where the cameras are staying. We just go back to 1x. So now I'm starting moving back. We can see that, and we can hear that the quality of the connection and both microphones are actually perfectly working. I mean, there is no problem with the disruption. Of course, on the post we will hear and we will see a little bit more if there were any possible disruptions or not. So this is usually provide a lot of disruptions, but both cameras, that even that I'm staying approximately 10 meters from the camera, turning with my back and using Insta360 Mic Air and the new GPS remote review plus microphone connected to X5. I think they are both just works absolutely perfect. What do you think, guys? Just let me know in the comments. Make sure to update the GPS remote to the latest firmware version 1.0.035. This unlocks some incredible features. Adaptive tone and PureVideo for single lens shooting are now available via remote control. Also improved noise cancellation and audio recording enhancement. Now it's more stable long distance preview and GPS logging. You can update directly in the Insta360 application. It only takes a minute but makes a lot of difference. With new GPS remote preview, you can also enable or disable GPS. For example, if you want to use it indoor and you don't want to waste battery because GPS is not working indoor. Another thing, when you're recording the audio together with connected camera, all the audio files are backed up on this little device. It has built in around 6 gigabytes of memory. So it means if accidentally, for example, you lose your video or something happened to it, you have all the audio files backed up right here. The Insta360 GPS Preview Remote Mic is easily one of the most advanced action camera accessories out there. It's ideal for solo creators who need reliable framing and audio, action sports enthusiasts needing data overlays and wireless mic audio, vloggers and filmmakers seeking compact remote control with no compromises. If you're already using X5 or Ace Pro 2, this remote completes your kit. Let me know in the comments, guys, what do you think about this new GPS remote review plus microphone? Would you like to use it? If yes, with which camera, with X5 or Ace Pro 2? I think it's a great additional device. And if you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And we will get a lot more interesting episodes in the coming days. See you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.